If I could describe MCPHS in one word, it would be welcoming.
It's a very supportive and uplifting environment. Everybody wants to see each other do well, just ensuring that nobody's left behind.
Day one, we get to work with patients.
You're understanding what your profession does and you're understanding how it impacts the people around you.
I feel like I have such a great relationship with all of my professors.
The preceptors and the teachers are very helpful, especially when you're in clinic for the first time, and they're very encouraging.
I love that we're in kind of like a smaller city setting. Everything's easy and accessible. There's a bunch of restaurants, coffee shops.
I live right next to Union Station, so I have taken the train into Boston for different events like the Celtics winning and stuff like that. It's really easy.
Living away from home, I've gained many other responsibilities, and just being able to come here as a complete stranger and making so many friends over the last year, it's shown me that I'm still growing and learning as I go through life.